The Voltax V57 stun flashlight car key has been making waves online with bold claims of delivering a shocking 57 million volts of stopping power in a discreet car key-sized design, combined with a 150 lumen flashlight for added safety. But is it really the game-changing self-defense gadget it's marketed to be, or just another overhyped product? At first glance, the idea of a powerful stun device hidden in a keychain format sounds extremely convenient, especially for anyone looking for compact protection. But when digging deeper, several questionable details come to light. For starters, the advertised 57 million volts sounds more like a marketing exaggeration than a realistic specification, since there is no credible evidence or verified testing to back it up, and such a high voltage claim itself seems impractical for a consumer-grade device. The flashlight feature, while decent at 150 lumens, doesn't exactly make it stand out, since similar or even brighter flashlights are easily available at lower prices without the stun gimmick. Looking further into the company's claims, phrases like clinically proven and 100% vegan feel irrelevant and misleading, as neither seems to apply to an electronic safety tool, and this kind of over-the-top wording raises suspicion. Adding to that, despite the product being promoted with supposed 5-star ratings, there is no genuine customer feedback, no trusted reviews, and poor customer support that leaves potential buyers in the dark. On the positive side, the concept of combining everyday utility with self-defense could be useful if executed honestly, but without real demonstrations, independent testing, or verifiable customer experiences, it's difficult to take these claims at face value. So while the Voltax V57 may look like a clever innovation at first glance, the lack of transparency and evidence makes it hard to confidently recommend, leaving buyers to question whether it's truly worth the risk or just another flashy gimmick.